Tony! Tony! I'm back. I got shot up. You getting out right now?
No.
Oh, what happened when I was gone?
We just took another objective. We took a picture.
Yeah.
Me, Richie, and a bunch of guys. It's worth points. We wiped these guys out. That's why all our guys are up. They were all the way up to the blue barrels, but we hit them hard from the side right here.
Yeah.
Me and the old guy. We tore them up. Now they're having a fight right here. I'm just getting a few seconds to
some guy died. He went to give the paper to a kid for objective.
Yeah, we just sent the whole group out with the other objectives we just did. Now I'm just getting ready to, just getting a breather here and then I'm going to rush back in again. I think they're fighting right over here somewhere again. I don't know if we should try and take the right side.
Nah, they're more over in that like corner.
Are they hiding there?
Yeah, see how this guy...
Yeah, these guys don't know what the fuck they're doing though, brother. A lot of these guys can't fight good. Because I'm fucking way back here and I'm killing them in fucking Apache from the tree right here.
Nice.
I was taking them out in Apache.
Yeah. I got shot from the two-story, man. Listen, pay attention.
Richie! What in the ass that stuff? Bring it in, brother! How's my ear?
Huh? Hold? Wow. How much flash you shoot?
Couple. Still pretty good?
Oh, wait. Show me again? It's 1,500.
15?
Yeah.
Shit.
Richie, what happened?
Richie! What's up? Okay.
Yeah, just don't fight. Because my thing is not like shooting through
they're right here somewhere. I'm just waiting to spot them.
Yeah.
As soon as we spot them, why'd you run out of
this shit's shooting.
You getting shot at?
There's just between dogs, I can't, and we try to throw a shot.
Where is he?
There's some in that two-story right there.
It's like the corner, like
and
right
then,
there.
And then, of course, beyond Apache. But then we need to get around, so.
Oh, a lot of people hitting right here. You want to try and come in right from the center? See if we can take sandbags and, what's that, country store?
I don't even know.
I don't know if we can. There's people shooting.
Yeah, it's like they're in that very corner. Yeah, see.
I mean, what if we come out wide?
Maybe.
I got enough here, I think.
Yeah. You can shoot like probably 3 or 4 more pods. You only have 2 left. Oh, yeah, see, they're in the woods now.
They're fighting right there. So we got guys moving up right there. Oh, they got somebody right here, I think. Shit. Hold on, brother. What if we take the outside? Maybe we don't need to. You see where the first fight is there. I ain't making any ground over there. I want to move from here.
Yeah, see? Right there, like where that guy came.
I see him.
Oh, see? I see a gun like right there. Like past the rest a little bit. It's like a hopper sticking out.
Yeah. He's laying down. And it must be an underground.
Yeah, it must be the war
okay.
bunkers or what's it, war.
No, they just got a bunch of guys. We got to take one of the sides.
Plus, there's a couple of people watching Hill Road. Or Hell Road.
You want to just try and push Hell's Road?
We could. There's a lot less fire over there. We got more people suppressing. I was over there on the corner.
Yeah.
There was one guy
we got to watch the towers, though, because they can shoot Hell's Road.
That's how I got caught last time.
In the bunkers right here. See the bunkers?
Yep.
That's our guy up there? Guys that are fighting.
Yeah, see, they're just retreating. Oh, no. There sound like there's a couple.
Yeah. I'm just trying to be cautious here.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know too, but I just came out. I really don't know this.
I'm not sure, brother, because we got people on the right too. We just got to evaluate this and see. See, another guy just ran up.
Yeah. Like right there.
See, we can get to this easy.
Yeah,
That's
easy.
not the problem.
It's the fire
Getting
from the
there's
angle.
not the problem. It's getting the angle on those guys. Can we get them?
You can probably.
Huh?
My gun's shooting everywhere right now. Right there. I know you. So where are
That
we?
guy's out
Is that the two-story right there across the foot?
Two-story.
Oh, all right. Actually, we should be good right there at that bunker.
That's what I'm thinking. If we can get to the bunker, we just got to watch our right side after. There's guys in the woods laying down. I don't want to get hit. I'm worth too much points.
Oh yeah, you're.
Watch yourself on the long side, though.
I know.
Okay? Yeah. Oh, you got you, Matt. From the side. From the side, though.
Where?
He's the guy that with the house with the big like circle on it, on top of it.
Yeah?
I can't.
From there.
There's no angle here for that. It's just the guy shooting from the side at us.
That guy right.
You see him?
Is that guy right there on the ledge? Just sitting there?
Yeah.
Never mind. That must be something else.
Yeah.
Like right there. I think. Nah, that's not. That's just the. Never mind.
Yeah, we just gotta watch. They're down cellar.
Oh yeah, they're
Bottom.
spawning.
They're down cellar. They're spawning, guys.
They're spawning. 12 o'clock.
They're spawning and then they're to the right of us. Oh, he's gonna
Yeah,
get
see, they're on the back end.
I'm looking. I see Felix.
Is that from jail?
I think it's you. I can reach.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Someone just.
Oh, I got one stick in the way right here, brother. I got one stick.
1 o'clock.
Oh, my gun ain't working.
Down. Just like. Can you duck?
What the fuck happened? Think if you don't shoot?
Oh, I probably turned on a state battery. Oh yeah, guy's sticking out his. I can't shoot that far.
Oh, I'm not reaching it. Yeah, I did reach in there. See, I just put a pink in there.
Oh, he's out. He's out. That guy got out. Guy got out. He's out. Oh.
There's a wooden stick pile directly to the right of it on the ground is where he is.
Yeah, I'm reaching the guy in the jail, guys.
See that wooden stick pile ahead of him? Right to the right. You can get him from this angle. He's looking here and then.
Dude, I'm sorry. I can't see shit.
Go! Let him out!
Oh, that stick pile. Oh, he got out.
You got out?
Who shot from there? Yeah, he just. Oh, good shit.
You get him out?
We got one in the jail, guys.
Yeah, they're spawning across of us.
The bunker's clear.
At 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, too.
We just cleared them out. That we know of.
Clear. It's the jail. I think Comm Center.
Jail.
I don't think there's anybody over here.
Yeah, they're shooting at me. Got their attention.
I got right. There was one laying over there. I never even saw it. I saw his legs sticking out. Yeah. I was trying to get him.
In the jail.
His gun's out. If you peek out over here, guy, jail. Yeah, jail, back of jail. Should be good. And people 9 o'clock over there, but I don't think they have the.
Hey, Apache needs to shoot guys at the jail. They're running across the back.
Coming out.
The guys at the jail. There's 2 or 3 at
He almost got me. That was terrible.
Ammo, man.
Where is he, man?
I don't know. I don't know what the fuck.
Somebody laying down over there.
I can't see him.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know where he's at. We got guys in the field, too, Mark. There's like 3 in the field.
Oh, I see him.
I can't see where it is. Watch the field, guys. A couple behind the field. Right side. Right side of the field. You guys, you gotta watch. Is there anybody under the tower?
Not shooting.
No, but these guys are in the field. They're past that field.
Oh,
Fucking.
I think the balls are too big. One was lodged in right there.
What paint are you using? Broken?
I think it's Infinity.
Guy still in the sticks across. I can't. Tony, guy still crossing the sticks. I can't hit him. Too much on.
Hey, give me a pencil. It's the guy in the jail. We gotta get that guy at the stick still.
Tony, come here. Your paint might go through the sticks. My paint's just breaking on the.
Where is it? Show me where he's
Alright,
at.
come here. Line up with me. Look straight. Right there. Like right over there. At those sticks.
Oh, over this one.
Yeah, right there. Those sticks.
Those sticks.
Yeah, those sticks.
Oh, alright. He's got a window there. Okay.
I'm just.
Alright. Well,
Comp station. Terror building, whatever the hell it is.
It's still. Jail. That's all we know right now. Jail. And there's still guys behind sticks right there. Like those. Like right there. At those sticks. I can't shoot them though. My paint's just breaking them. Like right there. Like on those cut. Oh,
We
okay.
gotta get him.
I can't. Too
We
much
get
on.
2 guys to run straight out of him. One guy might get hit, but the other guy's gonna get him.
Well, hold on. Let me get my pink loader. I'll go on there. I don't give a shit.
Tony, me and you? Tony, me and you?
Huh?
You in there?
Well, he's on the right side, laying down.
Dude.
He's in the right corner.
You guys go that side.
He's aimed at me. I can't see him.
Rush up the count. Rush. Move up. I got him. Let's go. We need to get all the guys at the field. Rush up the count. We got anybody. Look at it. Sneak up on it. They're coming in.
They see us! They see us! 8 o'clock! Back in town!
Hey, come right here. There's a guy in the passage. You can see him from here. I won't be able to get him. Guy in Apache. 2 guys actually now.
Behind Apache! 2 guys!
I keep getting stuck.
Behind 2-story! Behind 2-story!
What about Apache?
2 guys still in there. I can't. They're moving. Apache still. More pressure on 2-story! More people on 2-story! Tony, where are they?
Where Tony moved up to? They're in the post office.
Yeah, bounce. I'm trying to have a conversation. Apache still, Apache. Keep wasting your paint. Guys, watch it in the mid. Yo, Tony. Apache, are you still in? Apache, wait. Watch out. Guy 12 o'clock. Yeah, alright. Alright,
They
Apache.
got the back?
Alright.
Let's fall back and go get them. Come on, fall back. Oh, check this out. Hit my leg. I got the knee check.
Apache.
No?
Yeah,
Did it break?
yeah.
It's 100 points, man.
Fuck.
I'll go around.
Guys on me! Guys on me! party. Oh. Tony! Dude, we had two teammates right on the left of me, and they didn't tell me there was a guy right on the left.
Yeah, they're not covering what they're supposed to. That's the fucking 100 points to